Hello guys, I just got home from work. I think it's like I got home like 10:15, something like that. So, and I decided.
What time is it now?
Huh? It is 1:40.
Nope.
Yes. Oh no. 1:40. You're distracting me. It is 11:40 at night, guys. So I grabbed a little couple things at work to cook tonight. And I'll be cooking Chayote Squash, Dan's favorite food. So,
Oh. Filipino food's okay, but you're not gonna beat Mexican food. Not even close.
Fine, whatever. But guys, my pan is ready. It's look like hot already, so I'm gonna start cooking. All right, guys, I already started cooking my onion, and after it's like turns brown, I'm gonna put garlic, and after that, I'm gonna add the meat that I have, the Jimmy Bean regular pork sausage. And after the meat is cooked, I'm gonna add my Sayote Squash. We call it here Sayote Squash, but in the Philippines we just call it Sayote. So yeah guys, it's already brown. My garlic, I think it's ready to add the garlic. And at the same time guys, I'm eating this cucumber. I just add vinegar and salt and pepper on it, so I'm just eating it. It's good though. This is a good ground pork, guys. This one, the Jimmy Bean regular one. So, and then I'm eating this tomato. So guys, I already put the meat, and then by the way guys, my rice is done. It's cooked already. This is my rice cooker, and then that's the rice. Ooh, steaming. So yeah. So guys, the meat is done. So now I'm gonna add the vegetables on it. So yan na pala guys, antayin ko lang siyang maluto yung vegetables, and tapos na tayo. Kung may naririnig kayo guys na ingay, ano ba yun, dishwashing machine, yung machine ng panghugas ng mga plato. Naka-on kasi siya eh. And then habang nag-wait tayo ng niluluto natin, kain tayo guys ng cucumber na may suka. Nanonood sila ng paborito niyang YouTube channel. So ayun guys, inaantay ko na lang siyang maluto. And then, tapos na tayo. Alas 12 na ng gabi dito guys. Kasi normally yun yung ginagawa namin. Hindi kami natutulog nang hindi kumakain ng dinner. So, late na kami kumakain ng dinner kasi ang uwi ko sa work 10. Nakaka-uwi ako mga 10:15 something na ng gabi. And then si Dan, ang uwi niya galing sa work 11 ng gabi, kaya bago siya umuwi, nag-iisip muna ako ng kung anong pwede naming kainin bago matulog sa gabi na dinner ba. So antayin ko lang siyang maluto guys. Ayan, hayaan ko lang siyang maluto yung vegetables, and yeah, mamaya tapos na yan. So yun. Ayan guys, luto na siya. Ang sarap. Ang sarap talaga nito guys. Sayote na may ground pork. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Gisahin nyo lang siya. Lagyan nyo ng konting toyo at saka seasoning. Ang sarap niyan sa kanin. So, yummy dinner. So, kakain lang kami guys while we're eating. We're gonna watch something to watch in Netflix. And I think that's it for tonight vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!